As Allah, the Mighty and Majestic, continues to provide science, the Almighty has already demonstrated His power, grandeur, and greatness to us, compelling us to believe intellectually. Today, with the absolute evidence that binds us, we continue to worship, serve, and live our lives in admiration of the power and grandeur of the Almighty. For the future, the Almighty has established a system where He will provide more to those of tomorrow, paving the way for them, and even more to those of the days after. He reveals His verses freshly to those in every era. We have experienced what He has revealed to us. Perhaps we have witnessed the most magnificent one, that the universe has a beginning. Our generation has witnessed this. So let us leave it to the future generations to see which science Allah, the Mighty and Majestic, will present freshly. Regarding His power and greatness, here the main question is this: the Almighty is already constantly displaying His power, grandeur, and greatness to His servants. Will we take part in this display? Or will we keep saying, no, no, the Almighty doesn't mean it that way, don't take His verse too seriously, and then feel ashamed? If we do not want to be ashamed, then we must raise physicists, chemists, astronomers, and medical scientists who are well versed in the verses of Allah, the Mighty and Majestic, and who can also read the universe. Only then can we emerge from this unfortunate period that has continued for centuries and escape this disgrace. Otherwise, we cannot escape this disgrace